Hi, Chris here, and today I'm going to be picking this rather wonderful Ingersoll padlock. It's a nice hefty lock. Unfortunately I can't gut this one. There's a pin that retains the shackle I can't get out, but there's plenty of videos that show exactly how these work. It's got 10 levers in it. There is the key, so sort of mostly medium-ish and lowish lifts on this side, and a mixture of high and low over on this side. I'm going to be using this tensioner that I've just bent into the keyway. Goes in there like that, and you have to put lots and lots of tension on this. There's like a rubber O-ring at the back of the core that really sort of dampens the feedback, and you have to really crank it over to get any feedback at all, and make the get the levers to stay in place. And I'll be using this deep flat Moki hook. Okay, let's get picking. So here we are with the lock in the device, operating completely normally. It's locked up. So go in on lots of tension and start picking the levers. progress here, that's good. Okay, 1, I think that's set 2, feels set 3, feels set 4. Hard to tell. Probably set 5. Feels set. Something on this side. 1 feels good, 2 good, 3 that feels good, 4 I think that's good, 5 could be 5. Feels better now. 1's good, 2's good, 3 is good, 4 is good, 5 is good. Back over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Picked.